Hi, welcome back to Talentelgia Technologies. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been the backbone of web development for years, the LAMP stack. But with the rapid advancements in technology, is the LAMP stack becoming outdated in today's world? Stick around to find out. Before we jump into this, let's take a quick refresher on what the LAMP stack is all about. The LAMP stack, Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP, has been a hit in web building for ages. But things are shifting. Developers at work with modern tools. Developers are looking for other options, like Ruby, Python, or JavaScript, moving away from the PHP norm. Some trendy frameworks now serve as both app builders and web servers, sidelining Apache. And when it comes to databases, there's a wider pick beyond the usual MySQL, including PostgreSQL and MongoDB. Cloud platforms interface like Heroku. Plus, platforms like Heroku are gaining traction, making the Linux system less of a must-handle for developers. So, we're examining if the tried-and-true LAMP stack still holds its ground now. Let's see if it keeps up with the changing times and preferences. What are the components of a LAMP stack? The LAMP stack, a robust framework for web application development, comprises four fundamental components: Linux operating system, Apache web servers, MySQL database, PHP programming language. Famous websites built using the LAMP stack include Wikipedia, Facebook, and WordPress. Is LAMP stack outdated in today's era? The LAMP stack has been a go-to for years. Yet, newer tech like cloud computing, JavaScript frameworks, and NoSQL databases pose challenges. Now, pros and cons. Reasons for seeing LAMP as outdated include scalability, maintenance, compatibility. However, LAMP isn't useless. It offers stability and has been proven by big names like Wikipedia, Facebook, and WordPress. Why LAMP still rules the web? Flexibility. Want a website that does exactly what you want? With LAMP, developers can make it happen. Cost-effectiveness. Being open source means people can work together for free. Scalability. Think of LAMP's scalability as a superpower for your website. Security. LAMP takes security seriously with regular updates and powerful defenses. Personalized touch. Developers can adjust things to match your style and requirements. Compatibility. LAMP works well with other operating systems like Windows, Android, or iOS. Speed. Developers can create websites quickly with LAMP. Modernization. Tech moves fast, but so does LAMP. So, why LAMP? Because it's still the real MVP. In the tech world, LAMP isn't just a player. It's the captain of the team. Resilient, adaptable, and easy on the budget, LAMP is the secret sauce for web development success. Depending on project needs and budgets, it remains a viable option for web development, keeping up with changing trends and preferences. The LAMP stack comprises four open-source software components utilized for crafting and hosting web applications. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.